Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the OnePlus Aramid fiber case for the OnePlus 11 right here. Go and pop this thing open. Been looking for this for a while. They've been on and off Amazon. I finally just ordered mine from the OnePlus website when I ordered my backpack. So I got all this together and I had a 30% off coupon, so I saved quite a bit on it. But here is the case. It's actually made by EvuTech right there. OnePlus and EvuTech branding. Nice thin Aramid fiber case. Go ahead and snap it onto my OnePlus 11 here. Do have a screen protector on here, so we'll see how that plays with that. And it doesn't look like it's going to hit it or anything like that. There's a little bit of a gap around the edge there, so that is nice. But there is the case right there. That's what it looks like on the phone. Have a nice little ring around the camera here. Nice little cutout here for your slider, and it is slightly indented so you can get your finger on there and slide the slider very easily. And then we have your USB-C microphone and speaker cutout there on the bottom, as well as your power button right there and your volume buttons on the other side. Power button over here and then volume buttons over here as well. So very, very nice. Do have not too much of a raise, but the bottom and top are ever so slightly raised, so you should be able to set your phone down relatively safely without having to worry about hitting your screen too hard. So there we go. That is the OnePlus Aramid fiber case for the OnePlus 11. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.